goes to jail. No!
Don't give up. Persistence is the key.
Uh-oh.
What do you mean, don't give up?
50.
Uh-oh.
What do you mean, don't give up? Is this a joke to you? Or... Pff, I can't... I don't think I can. Even if I mortgage all of it. I would have to...
Keep you in the game.
Fauna.
Yes.
Fauna, why do you want to hurt me so much?
You
I'm,
did what
I'm
needed
just trying to make a living out here.
Like, this is...
I
I mortgaged
know.
everything! I need
Sharky
to...
Shark World.
I mortgaged it all! So I can only trade, but I don't want to give in to it! No!
I would buy some properties from you.
I'll
buy your yellow.
You wanna buy my yellow? Only for light blue and some cash. How much money do I need? Okay, I need 242. Good, that's all I need. That's all I need. and those properties, of course.
Yeah, I'll trade you.
Yeah! So the game can continue. 242. 242.
What if I refuse this offer, though?
You started offering.
I am having second thoughts.
We have come to an understanding. We've reached an understanding.
When you get kicked out of the game, does your property go back to the bank and it becomes free for the players again?
I think it eventually ends up that way, yeah. Also,
Trading is
Auction?
a part of business.
huh?
Oh, an
It might get auctioned.
That would
Ah!
make sense.
Wait, why are you refusing it now? You prefer... Does it mean that you prefer me to go bankrupt right now?
Well, I would lose less if I just waited you to go bankrupt and then I just need to get the auction piece.
What? Wow, okay. Friendships do end with this game. Cool.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no!
I'm out.
No!
See you
Gonna order some food.
Did I get everything?
Have fun, Fauna. I support you.
Whoa!